Oh, more delivery. So literally, there's about 2 lorries that's just arrived. I don't know if there's any more, but then literally that's another lot just came through. Oh my word. It's Friday feeling today, but just want to get everything done. And a nice good pub drink later. Oh, there's another one. There's all going on today. Look at this. And great news, everybody. Looks like land is still continuing expansion at the minute. Oh, this is great. Oh my God, there's all going on here. Oh, too bright. There you go. That was very good timing to be here. Yeah, they're not taking any nonsense today. Still filling land where the final section for the ride will be. Yeah, it's looking good today. This is dry at the minute. So they are putting more soil to its land at the minute. And where it is at the minute, this is where the brake runs for the station will go into. So, oh my God, there's a lot going on that end at the minute. Yeah, so they're putting more land into that end at the minute. Yeah, seems to be a lot of more action down there today to fill that land where, like I said, the final point of the ride will be. Oh, hello. Yeah, look, so much soil to put for the land. It's quite deep at the moment, so I think the pipes are now over there. As you can see, the pipe is potentially almost there. Don't really know what it is for, but yeah, more land is on its way. More lands have been filling at the minute. They really are doing more than they were beforehand. But yeah, interesting. There's a lot of lorries involved today. Oh, interesting. Right then, Samurai, let's do it. So yeah, there's a lot of work down there today. They're bringing more soil for the land over there at the minute. And yeah, they're trying with theirs to get it in place. Overall, they're just putting more land over there where the digger is over there. So it's starting to come in to the final bit now where the land's going to be for the final turn for the ride. Got more soil here. There's loads coming in. They've obviously got them somewhere, so the quicker they can do it, they're more likely to get foundations at the ready now. Yeah. say, it's a bit different video today because I was just filming what I saw, and I feel like to talk about it, I thought I'd talk about it at the end today, because I was literally riding the Swan with Jack and Archie, as you can see on your screens now. I think I'm just about there, my voice is still going well. But anyway, the diggers at the far end, on the right hand side, they've started to put more land to the other side now for the final section where the track's going to be. And yeah, there's lots of lorries today bringing more land to the side. And obviously with this weather being difficult at the moment, hopefully in the next few weeks or so it will start to progress, but I reckon by July the pins will start coming in, or maybe before that, because of June I'm going to Download Festival, so you never know. It's going to be one of those things when I'm on holiday, rocking myself at Download to see Metallica and Slipknot. They'll probably put some pins on site. What's that? That's a bird. Yeah, I reckon when I'm at Download, they will be putting pins on site. But overall, it's very interesting site, but nothing much, of course. But now it's closed. It's 5:20 on a Friday. Thank you so much for showing a bit of interest in this video today. Be sure to subscribe if you want to see more content. I know some of you have been wondering, where am I going to order towers? And personally, I don't know. I am going to do that at some point, because I really want to do the Coastal Automatic and go back to Oblivion and Smiler and get some merch up there as well. Thank you very much for watching. We'll be back very soon. So take care now.